Hey, what's going on, Kick family, and welcome back. Here at the Kick, we recently coined the month of April as Servsafe month. So this month, we will be giving you tips on practicing food safety and avoiding foodborne illnesses. To start off, we need to know what is Servsafe and what role does Servsafe play in keeping me as well as the public safe. Servsafe is a food and beverage safety training and certificate program administered by the U.S. National Restaurant Association. The program is accredited by ANSI and the Conference of Food Protection. The Servsafe Manager certification verifies that the manager or person in charge has significant food safety knowledge to protect the public from foodborne illnesses. And like such, the Servsafe Food Handler certification verifies basic food safety knowledge and is for individuals in food handler employee level positions. To sum it up, Servsafe protects both your employees and customers, as being exposed to rotten or contaminated food can risk the health of everyone involved. It can also contribute to the success of your business, as very little ruins the reputation of a restaurant faster than food that makes your customers sick. So this month, we're going to dive in and explore the importance of Servsafe and what it means to be Servsafe certified. I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. I'll catch you next week.